day at 9 a.m., my team receives a good morning message on Google Chat, which is also a morning motivation. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also send daily messages on Google Chat automatically. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and you can create this for free today. What you have to do is you just have to grab on your laptops, open a new tab, and open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free, and then if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how to build this amazing automation. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to select it as schedule by Pabbly. For the event, select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day. Now for the time, I'm just going to choose the time as 9 a.m. in the morning. You can choose the time according to your own choice right over here and click on this save button. Now this workflow is scheduled. Now what you have to do is you have to use an AI in order to generate the morning motivation code. Okay, so for that, I'm just going to use Google Gemini. So I'm just going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Gemini and select Google AI Studio, which is Gemini right over here. You can use any another AI tool too. Pabbly supports most of them. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection, and then it is asking for the API key. And in order to get this API key, go on this Google AI Studio. Once you come on your Google AI Studio, what you have to do is from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this key button, which is get API key button, and then you have to click on create new key button over here. As you can see, create API key button in the top right corner, just click on this, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. What you have to do after this, you just have to copy the key once it is created and paste it right over here in your workflow. Click on this save and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already built this connection, so I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. Now once Gemini is connected, what you have to do is you have to enter the prompt using which we are just going to generate the morning message. So in order to enter the prompt, I'm just going to copy it from my previous workflow. If you also want this amazing prompt, you can comment prompt and my team is going to send this to you. And after entering this prompt, I'm just going to select the model of my choice, select the method as generate content and click on this save and send test request. So as you can see, I've mentioned this prompt according to my own team, and as you can see, we have received this message right over here. Now let's move on further. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to close this first and I'm just going to connect Google Chat. For that, I'm just going to click on this add new action step and search for Google Chat. So I'm just going to search for Google Chat, and as you can see, where's Google Chat Hangout? So I'm just going to select the same. Now for the event, I'm just going to select it as create custom card message and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the webhook URL. So to get this webhook URL, just open your Google Chat, go on the space name, then you have to go on this apps and integrations. Now just click on this add webhook button and name your webhook. So I'm just going to name this webhook as test over here. If you want, you can add the avatar URL and click on this save button. Once you click on the save button, where's the URL? So what you have to do is just copy the URL and paste it right over here in your workflow. Now it is asking for many another details. You just have to enter the details which you wish to fill in. So if you wish to only fill in the text, then what you can do is you can simply map this text and ignore the rest. If you want to fill in the rest of the details, you can fill that too. I only want to fill in this text, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to map this text with Gemini Gemini generated. Over here, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. So why we do mapping? We do mapping so that our workflow can run in real time. And what is going to happen is this text is going to change every morning, right? So that's the reason I have mapped it, because this is going to change. If some information is dynamic, we map it. If some information will remain same, we just enter it manually, because that's a static information, but this is the dynamic information and it is going to change, so I've mapped it. After doing this, you just have to click on the save and send test request button and you're going to receive the positive response that you have successfully sent this message on your Google chat. So I'm just going to show you I've received this message on Google chat. So if you also want to add this header, what you can do is you can simply enter this header title right over here, and same goes for the subtitle, and then click on the save and send test request and automatically this is going to be added right over here. It totally depends upon you how you wish to send this message. If you want to only have the title, you can add the title and the message with Gemini generated. If you also want to add the subtitle, you can add it right over here. It totally depends upon you. Like this, you can send daily messages on your Google chat automatically. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.